Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Good afternoon. Kaisar Mustafa, President Pakistani American Republican Party from Brooklyn, New York. In this vlog, we will dive into the key moments of Donald Trump's presidency that shaped the course of American history. First, let's start with his inauguration on January 20th, 2017. Trump took office amidst a divided nation, and his speech emphasized themes of nationalism and America first. This movement set the tone for his administration, signaling a shift in US politics. Next, we can discuss the controversial travel ban introduced shortly after he took office. The ban targeted several predominantly Muslim countries and sparked widespread protests and legal challenges, highlighting the intense polarization surrounding his policies. Another pivotal movement was the passage of the Tax Cuts and Jobs Act in December 2017. This legislation aimed to boost the economy by reducing corporate tax rates, but it also faced criticism for increasing the national deficit and favoring the wealthy. We should also cover the historic summit with North Korean leader Kim Jong-un in June 2018. This meeting was unprecedented and marked a significant attempt to ease tensions over North Korea's nuclear program, showcasing Trump's uncontroversial approach for foreign diplomacy. Additionally, the impeachment proceedings in late 2019 should be highlighted. Trump became the third president in US history to be impeached, facing charges of abuse of power and obstruction of Congress. This moment was a significant constitutional crisis and sparked intense debates about presidential accountability. Lastly, we can reflect on his handling of the COVID-19 pandemic in 2020. The administration's response faced scrutiny and criticism, influencing public perception and ultimately impacting the 2020 election. In conclusion, these key moments of Donald Trump's presidency not only defined his time in office but also left a lasting impact on the political landscape of the United States. Each event reflects the complexities and challenges of governance in a rapidly changing world. Thanks for watching Pakistani American News Channel.